ESL Level 1 Verbal Practice Quiz 3. What am I doing? What am I doing? You are cleaning. Is the food delicious? Is the food delicious? Yes, it is. Is he a construction worker? Is he a construction worker? No, he isn't. Are they single? Are they single? No, they aren't. Where does she live? Where does she live? She lives in Argentina. What time is it? What time is it? It's 4:07. How's the weather today? How's the weather today? It's snowing. This car is expensive. Is your car expensive or cheap? This car is expensive. Is your car expensive or cheap? My car is cheap. What's her last name? What's her last name? Her last name is Cervantes. What's your grandmother's name? What's your grandmother's name? Her name is Angelita. What color is the chair? What color is the chair? It's blue. Where is the globe? Where is the globe? It's on the teacher's desk. What time is breakfast? What time is breakfast? It's at 7 o'clock a.m. Where are they from? Where are they from? They are from Vietnam. What city do you live in? What city do you live in? I live in Los Angeles. What state do I live in? What state do I live in? You live in California. What is this? What is this? It's a bicycle. What are those? What are those? Those are grapes. Do you speak Japanese? Do you speak Japanese? Yes, we do. When do you usually exercise? When do you usually exercise? I usually exercise in the morning. How often do you watch TV? How often do you watch TV? I always watch TV. Who usually does the laundry? Who usually does the laundry? My wife usually does the laundry. Every morning she drinks coffee. What is she doing now? Every morning she drinks coffee. What is she doing now? She is doing yoga. Now they are playing basketball. What do they do every day? Now they are playing basketball. What do they do every day? They play basketball every day. Can you swim? Can you swim? Yes, I can. She can skate. What can you do? She can skate. What can you do? I can cook. What food can you cook? What food can you cook? I can cook Italian food. Where are you going to go on vacation? Where are you going to go on vacation? I am going to go to Japan. What do you want to eat for lunch? What do you want to eat for lunch? I want to eat sandwiches for lunch. What did you do yesterday? What did you do yesterday? I talked on the phone. Did you play cards yesterday? Did you play cards yesterday? No, I didn't. Did you go to the doctor yesterday? Did you go to the doctor yesterday? Yes, I did.